What's up? First of all, I would like to say thanks to all my subscribers and who has always given me a support creating content like this. Because of that, I could upgrade my PC to Mini ITX and it sounds interesting to me. So let's get started. Finally, I can build a Mini ITX PC. I will use the existing components like the CPU, Ryzen 5, yes, CPU Ryzen 5, the GPU RX 580, and the memory, the SSD, and the cooling stuff, all of the cooling stuff. And yeah, we got the RGB LED controller by Cooler Master. And of course, wait, I'm just upgrading my motherboard to this, the RG Strix X370i Gaming. It's really compact and looks so gorgeous. Whew. And I also upgraded to InWin A1 that included the 600 watts bronze power supply. I think this case is really special because the size is not really small for Mini ITX. Has a good airflow because I can install up to 4 fans in it. And also this case has wireless charging station on it and looks really awesome for me. Before we start the installation, I'm just gonna make sure that you have subscribed to this channel and also get notified in every new videos by hitting the bell button below. So just straight to the installation. Let's go, baby! God.
Tapi kan final Champions League itu ada di Wanda Madrid. Berapa ke Barcelona?
Hey, what the f? First boot. Bismillah. Damn. It's 5:30 a.m. It means I took more than 6 hours to finish this build, man. I'm really exhausted, but I'm glad I did what I expected. Thank you so much for watching this video because I'm gonna take a rest. Really. And as always, don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed it. Also, get subscribed to this channel for more stuff. Have a good one, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.